Hello everybody, my name is Klaus. I am a member of the EPLAN support team by Pilz. In my tutorial, I will show you how you can automatically create a schematic of a safety carport feed with Bauma sensors and the myPNOZ system. Before we start, let me explain the safety carport feed. In the picture, you can see two optical Bauma sensors, which are monitoring the carport feed. If the last carport box is in front of the tunnel, the sensors detect this and the myPNOZ safety system shuts down safely the carport feeder. Now we create the schematic in EPLAN eBUILDfree for this application. First, I start EPLAN Platform 2023. On the left side, I open my empty target project. Now I click in the main menu to EPLAN Cloud. Then I click to eBUILDfree. Now it's open the eBUILDfree library. I choose the eBUILD library Safe Carport Feeder. I click to the letter I. You find the description of the carport feed configurator. I go back and click to the carport feeder. I choose my target project and click to carport feed. I open the page settings. Higher level function CBF1. Mounting location A1. Document type EFS1. Page number 1. I click to the first checkbox that I get hyperlinks in my schematic. With the hyperlinks, I can download the Pilz articles of the EPLAN data portal. I open the field device and now I can select between 4 system configurations of our safe monitoring carport feeder. I choose the myPNOZ application with semiconductor outputs. Last checkbox, I can select a picture of the machine layout or no picture. Now I click to generate. The eBUILD configurator are start. I close eBUILDfree. On the left side, I open the application of the carport feeder. On page number 1, you can see the 24-volt DC power supply. Next page, you see the rack view of the myPNOZ with the right settings of the rotary switch. Page number 3 and 4 is the PLC overview of the in and outputs of the myPNOZ models. On page number 5, you can see the wiring of the Bauma diffuse sensors with the myPNOZ. Page number 6 are the enable contactors with feedback loop monitoring. Page number 7 is a possible picture of the layout of the carport feeder. You can see how it is easy to create a schematic with the myPNOZ system and the Bauma optical sensor. So please feel free and prove our configurator in eBUILDfree. If you like this tutorial, give me a like and leave me a comment. See you next. Bye bye.